Welcome to my binding video. This is a product review of the WireMac E31, a 3-in-1 electric wire binding machine by Akiles. This video assumes that you're familiar with wire binding. If you're not, check out the demo for this very machine and it may be helpful before watching a review on it. The E31 is a complete system that allows you to punch and bind 3-to-1 wire projects. It's also able to bind but not punch 2-to-1 wire. Let's look at its features while watching it in action. The top question is always punch capacity. The E31 can punch 20 to 25 sheets of paper per lift. And the fact that it's done by an electronic pedal is awesome. It's a bit of a monster, weighing in at 72 pounds and taking up 3 cubic feet of space. However, it's meant for high volume and meant to stay in place in your office, solid metal, and very durable. Among its many features is a side margin control knob. This one is very sturdy, we liked it a lot. Set your margins here so all papers are punched consistently. Also, the disengageable dies all the way across the front of the machine are very helpful for punching holes into papers that are different sizes. And with the 14-inch open throat design, oversized documents are very easy. This just means you won't have any half-punched holes, which is unsightly and problematic for wire binding, but also there's really no limit as to the size document you can bind. There's also a depth punching margin control that provides the correct punch margin depth for each coil size. But with this one, there's really only 2 sizes, larger and smaller. Helpful, just not a very large range. These are your 2 options. When it comes to binding, E31 also has some special features. There are 2 somewhat helpful diameter scales in the front of the machine, both for 3-to-1 as well as 2-to-1 wire. This will help you in best selection as well as identification of what size wire bind you need. The black dial on the right side of the machine allows you to set your closer for your wire size. The built-in wire holder on the front of the machine is helpful and sturdy. It also stands high enough off the work surface that when you drape your book down, the work surface doesn't get in the way. The wire closer is heavy-duty, easy to work with, and seems to do a very consistent and even job every time. There's plenty of leverage with the long handle, and it's easy to keep an eye on your project as things are being worked. You'll want to keep in mind that the E31 was designed for binding documents between 3 and 9/16 inch thick. The chip waste tray is large, right in the front, and easy to get to. It certainly is spendy at just over $1,600. However, if you have a large office that does a lot of wire binding, this is going to be a great investment. For more demos and reviews of this product and many more, check out MyBinding.com.